Hello, and welcome to Bright TV friends. Today, we are going to learn about a noun. What is a noun? A noun is a naming word. It can be a person, place, an animal, or a thing. Here are some examples. 1. House. 2. Ball. 3. Think of all the animals you know, they are examples of a noun. For example, a cat. 4. Mother. Now friends, let's us try and find all the nouns in the list below. But first read all the words. Dog, teacher, bake, playground, short, dance, run, sleep, jump, school, bus, bed. If your answers were dog, playground, teacher, school, bed, bus, you were correct. Your second activity, identify all nouns used in the following sentences. The dog is running. I live in a big house. Mary has a red ball. We saw a lion at the zoo. Your answers are as follows. 1. Dog. 2. House. 3. Mary and dog. 4. Lion and zoo. Well done, friends. Congratulations! We have come to the very end of our lesson. Thank you very much for learning with us at Britekid TV. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow us at our socials. See you next time, bye.